Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Know your rivers. Approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. This water is primarily saline, with 97% found in oceans, and the remaining 3% is fresh water. Rivers carry a very small percentage of Earth's total freshwater, around 0.3%. The vast majority of fresh water is locked in ice and glaciers, 68.7%, with another significant portion in groundwater, 30.1%. A river is a natural stream of fresh water that flows in a channel across the surface of the land. It typically flows from higher ground to lower ground, eventually emptying into a larger body of water like an ocean, lake, or another river. Rivers play a crucial role in the water cycle and support various ecosystems. Key terms like source, where a river begins, confluence, where rivers join, tributaries, smaller rivers that flow into a larger river, the river basin, the area drained by a river and its tributaries, and banks, the sides of a river, are associated with river. Rivers are a primary source of fresh water for human consumption, agriculture, and industrial activities. Rivers can be harnessed for hydroelectric power generation, providing a renewable source of energy. Rivers provide recreational opportunities like fishing, kayaking, and boating, boosting the local economy. Rivers often hold cultural and historical significance for communities, shaping their traditions and ways of life. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. Yamuna is one of the holiest rivers in Hinduism. The Yamuna River is also known as the Jamna. In Hindu scriptures and mythology, it is also referred to as Kalindi, Yami, Suryatanaya, meaning daughter of the sun god, and Tarnija. It is also known as the sister of Yam, the god of death. The Yamuna River originates from the Yamunotri Glacier near Bandarpunj Peak in the Mussoorie Range of the Lower Himalayas. With a total length of over 1,300 kilometers, it is the largest tributary of the Ganga in the northern plains. The Yamuna River flows along states of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Haryana and enters Delhi and merges with the Ganga near Triveni Sangam, Allahabad, Prayagraj. The Yamuna River has several important tributaries. The major ones include the Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Sindh, and Hindan rivers. Other notable tributaries are the Tans, Giri, Rind, Sengar, and Kali Sindh. The Tans is the longest tributary of the Yamuna. The Yamuna's catchment area is characterized by a monsoon climate with an average annual rainfall of 1,200 millimeters, most of which falls during the monsoon season. The river has a catchment area of 366,223 square kilometers, which constitutes 40.2% of the entire Ganges basin. Yamuna is one of the national waterways of India, designated as NW110 in Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. During the Vedic era, the ancient name of Chambal River was Charmanvati. The epic Sanskrit narrative the Mahabharata refers to the Chambal River as the Charmanyavati, originating from the blood of thousands of animals sacrificed by the king Rantideva. The infamous dice game between the Kauravas and Pandavas, where Draupadi was humiliated, is said to have taken place on the banks of the Chambal River. The Chambal River, a significant tributary of the Yamuna, flows through central India, primarily through Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. It originates in the Vindhya range near Mho, Madhya Pradesh, flows northwards, then forms a border between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh before turning southeast to join the Yamuna near Pachnada in Uttar Pradesh. The tributaries of the Chambal include Shipra, Choti Kalisindh, Shivna, Ritam, Ansar, Kalisindh, Banas, Parbati, Seep, Kavari, Puno, Alnia, Mej, Chakand, Parvati, Chamla, Gambhir, Lakhundar, Khan, Bangeri, Kedal and Tilar. The river's width averages 400 meters, with depths ranging from 1 to 26 meters. During the monsoon season, the water level can rise significantly, sometimes spreading to over 500 meters from the banks. The river experiences significant water level fluctuations, particularly during the monsoon season. The mean maximum discharge is recorded at 2074.28 cubic meters per second, while the minimum is 58.53 cubic meters per second. The Chambal River is famous for its population of gharials, a critically endangered type of crocodile with a long, narrow snout. It also hosts a significant population of Gangetic river dolphins. The river's National Chambal Sanctuary is a key area for both species conservation. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel The Environment Express. The place where the Brahmani originates is believed to be the site where sage Parshara fell in love with Satyavati, who later became the mother of Vedvyas, the author of the Mahabharata. Vedvyas temple is located on the banks of the Brahmani river at Rourkela. The Brahmani river originates in Jharkhand, known as the South Koil in its upper reaches, and flows through Odisha. It's a major seasonal river in Odisha and is the second widest river in the state after Mahandi. Together with the river Baitarani, Brahmani forms a large delta before emptying into the Bay of Bengal at Dhamra. The Brahmani river's main tributaries are the Shank, Tikra, and Karo rivers. The Shank and South Koil rivers are considered the source rivers for the Brahmani. The river also receives the Biruba, Kimiria, and Gohira as tributaries. The Brahmani river basin has a tropical monsoon climate with most rainfall occurring during the southwest monsoon season. The river is known for its Daltek region, where it branches into multiple distributaries before eventually joining the Bay of Bengal. The Brahmani river has a total drainage area of about 39,268 square kilometers, with a significant portion in Odisha. The Brahmani river flows through the Bhitarkanika National Park, Ramsar site, which is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including the famous saltwater crocodiles. Thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.